Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit text in a fillable text box using Foxit PDF Editor. Now I will change this text font style, font color in this text box. Now click on this form option, this menu bar, and here you will find this text field icon. Click here. Now click on this text box and select. Now click right button on your mouse cursor and select here properties option. And properties dialog box, selected appearance option. Here you will find this font size option, text. You can change auto font size. I'll make it 16 and see this, and this text color. Here you can change your text color and this text color change. Also you can change here text font style and see this, and this text direction also you can change. You can right to left and is left to right, and here you will find this option. Here you can change this text alignment. You can make it center, you can make it right. See this, I'll make it center and select close, and see this text field text now sense. In this way you can edit all of these texts on your fillable text box. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.